The Mississippi Canyon is an undersea canyon, part of the Mississippi Submarine Valley in the north-central Gulf of Mexico, south of Louisiana. According to the U.S. Geological Survey GLORIA mapping program, it is the dominant feature of the north-central Gulf of Mexico. According to GCAGS Transactions, it has an average width of 8 kilometers, and a length of 120 kilometers. The U.S. Minerals Management Service applies the name Mississippi Canyon to numbered federal oil and gas lease blocks over a large offshore area centered on, but mostly outside, the submarine canyon. Oil and gas exploration and production. According to Deepwater Gulf of Mexico 2004, America's Expanding Frontier, a report issued by the Minerals Management Service Gulf of Mexico OCS region, of the 10 deepwater discoveries in water depths greater than 7,000 feet, 3 were in the Mississippi Canyon area: Aconcagua Project, Area Block MC305, 7,379 feet deep; and Camden Hills Project, MC348, 7,530 feet deep, both discovered in 1999. And Blind Faith Project, MC696, 7,116 feet deep, discovered in 2001. In a separate section of the same report, note is made of acreage in the Thunder Horse Project, MC778, acquired in 1988. Other projects noted for Mississippi Canyon include Thunder Horse areas blocks MC775-778 and MC819-822, listed as completed Grid P by BP. An MMS list of 80 development systems of productive deepwater Gulf of Mexico projects from 1979 to 2003 includes 29 projects in the Mississippi Canyon area. 5 of the top 20 deepwater Gulf of Mexico production blocks for 2000-01 were in the Mississippi Canyon, including the top 2, Project Mars, 2,933 feet deep, 137 million barrels of oil equivalent. Project Ursa, 3,800 feet deep, 93 million barrels of BOE. Project Mensa, 5,280 feet, 27 million barrels of BOE. Cognac, 1,023 feet, 23 million barrels of BOE. Crosby, 4,259 feet, 18 million barrels of BOE, all managed by Shell. Deepwater Horizon explosion. On April 20, 2010, the Deepwater Horizon drilling rig, located in the MMS Mississippi Canyon Block 252, which is about 40 miles off the Louisiana coast, suffered a catastrophic explosion. It sank a day and a half later. Although initial reports indicated that relatively little oil had leaked, by April 27 it was stated by BP that approximately 5,000 barrels of oil per day were issuing from the wellhead, 1 mile below the surface on the ocean floor. The resulting oil slick quickly expanded to cover hundreds of square miles of ocean surface, posing a threat to marine life and adjacent coastal wetlands. On June 10, the Flow Rate Group from the Deepwater Horizon Incident Joint Information Center reported that they have determined that the estimated flow rate from the out-of-control wellhead has been 20,000 barrels to 40,000 barrels per day. See also, offshore oil and gas in the U.S. Gulf of Mexico. References. External links: Gulf of Mexico GLORIA Geology Interpretation Page. Contact information: O'Malley, J., USGS.gov, Formation of the Mississippi Canyon, GCAGS Transactions, Volume 32. Coleman, J.M., D.B. Pryor. Wonders of Ocean Life Counted and Massive Census.